In this video, I'm going to show you how you can solve YouTube mobile app not responding or not working when you try to open. Many times you can find that you are trying to open up your YouTube mobile app, but when you try to open up, it is not responding or it goes back to home screen. It closes itself automatically and you won't see or you won't play the videos on YouTube. If you are encountering such a problem, let me show you how you can clear this error. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go to settings here on your mobile app. Now for this demonstration, I'm using the Redmi Note 10. However, this should work on any Android smartphone. So once you are on settings here, look for mobile apps or look for apps settings. Tap on it to open and then go to manage app to open all the apps that are on your smartphone. Get to a YouTube mobile app, which is down here. So tap on it to open. And now if you tap on storage, now there are some things here you can see. The total size of the app, and then we have the user data. As you can see, we have a lot of user data and cache, and these are likely the reason why your YouTube mobile app is misbehaving when you try to play YouTube videos. So what you need to do is to go ahead and clear this data. To clear it, just come down here. As you can see, we have clear data and tap on it. Now the first thing you need to do is to clear cache. So go ahead and tap on it and then OK to clear it. And as you can see, our cache have been cleared. Go back to your YouTube and try and open it. If it does not work, come back here again. Go to apps, manage apps, and look for the YouTube app again. And here it is. Again, go to storage. Alternatively, you can just come back here. You can just clear data from here, or go to storage, go to clear data. And now here, instead of clearing cache, go ahead and clear all data. Tap on it, and this will clear all the data so that you get a fresh new start on your YouTube mobile app. Go ahead and open your YouTube mobile app and it should work well. But in case it is still not working and it is still not responding, now take the final step that will resolve everything. Now this will require you to uninstall your YouTube mobile app and install it afresh. And you will find now it is just working fine. So if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.